How did you learn how to be an entrepreneur?
I would say initially you're not really aware of what what special skills you need or how this just develops initially, which is also a good thing. So you're basically a bit naive initially, I would say, and then it just starts developing. It was, for me, it was super interesting. I'm an open-minded person, and I'm always eager to learn new things in this respect. And so it was, for me, not really a barrier, but more a challenge. And this was really something I personally liked. And this also gives you a bit more different task changes in your daily work. And this was something that I was actually looking for also. And I would say I was aware of this to some extent when we started the company. And then you just start learning by doing, and that's actually the fun part. The best advice I would say we got was that we should not underestimate what we basically developed. It's whenever you have something in your hands or on your hands, and I mean you develop it. For you, it's clear how it works. You are kind of in a bubble at this stage. But then when you bring this technology to the outside world in that respect, you often have a kind of a mismatch in perception of the value that this actually, this really has. And we had one advisor that really helped us in that regard and supported us and said, just don't undersell yourself in this respect. I think this was a big or an important advice we got early on.